Welcome back to K-Trips, the Kansas Truck Routing and Intelligent Permitting System user tutorial videos. This video will guide you through the process of uploading a vehicle spreadsheet using the vehicle import function. Your vehicle spreadsheet will need to have the unit number, the year, the vehicle make, the VIN, the vehicle license plate number, the state the plate has been issued, and the vehicle type listed. It can additionally include the Kansas registered gross vehicle weight and the terminal the vehicle is assigned. Please note that Kansas requires the full VIN and requires that the make of the vehicle be spelled out the same as it is on the vehicle registration. To begin the process, click the Vehicle Import link in the Administration panel on the left of the company dashboard. The Import Vehicle Inventory screen will be displayed. Click the Browse button and choose the file from your computer containing the required information. Click the Open button and then click the Upload File button. This will bring you to the Import Vehicle Inventory Step 2 screen and list the information from the uploaded file. Make sure the unit number, vehicle make, license plate number, vehicle type, unit model year, VIN, license plate state, registered Kansas weight, and terminal name column dropdowns match the column number on the uploaded spreadsheet. For example, the unit number dropdown should reflect which column the unit numbers are listed in the spreadsheet. So if the unit number is actually listed on column 3, the dropdown should read column 3. You will also want to indicate which row your information starts. In this example, the information starts on row 2, so we will select row 2 from the dropdown. Once you verify that all the information is correct, click the Import Sheet button to proceed with the vehicle import process. The Vehicle Import Results screen will be displayed listing the number of vehicles successfully imported and the number of failures. You can choose to return to the dashboard if the upload was successful, or view any details of failures listed. If there are any failures listed, click the View Load Failures button. The uploaded spreadsheet will be displayed listing the specific vehicles that failed. Failures are typically caused by not selecting the appropriate rows and columns in the corresponding information. You will need to repeat the upload process, making sure to select the appropriate information to correct any failures. Once the upload is complete and there are no failures, click the Return to Dashboard link to return to the company dashboard. You can make sure the vehicles were uploaded by clicking the Company Data link on the left side of your company dashboard in the Administrative panel and scrolling down to the bottom where the company assets are located. Click the document icon to the right of the New button in the Vehicles row and view the inventory list. The drop-down list will contain all the vehicles from your spreadsheet. When ordering a permit that requires vehicle information, the unit numbers will be located in the Vehicle Inventory drop-down list. Select the vehicle to be permitted from the drop-down list, and the other required vehicle information, such as the make and the VIN, will automatically populate based on the data previously imported. This concludes the K-Trips user tutorial video on how to upload your vehicles using a vehicle spreadsheet. Don't forget, more videos are available for your convenience.